Welcome to Denix, your ultimate destination for supercharging your social media presence. Today, we'll walk you through these simple steps to purchase Instagram followers and harness the full power of our platform. Let's dive in. Step number 1, sign up on Denix. If you haven't already, visit our website and click the sign up button. Follow the prompts to create your account. It's quick, easy, and absolutely free. Step 2, add funds to your account. To purchase Instagram followers, you'll need to add funds to your Denix account. Choose from our secure payment options and deposit the desired amount. Your transactions are safe and encrypted for your peace of mind. Step number 3, navigate to Order SMM Services. After adding funds, navigate to the Order SMM Services section on our website. You'll find a range of services tailored to your social media goals. Click on Instagram followers to proceed. Step number 4, select the number of followers. Once you're on the Instagram followers page, choose the package that best fits your needs. For example, if you want to choose 1,000 followers, select the corresponding option. Step number 5, enter Instagram account details. Next, provide the required information, including the link of Instagram account where you want the followers to be added. So this Instagram account is just for testing. I'll copy the link and paste it in the corresponding section. And now it's time to confirm your order. Double check all the details to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click on the submit button to proceed. Sit back and relax as our system processes your order. You will start to see an increase in followers on your specified account in no time. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased Instagram followers on Denix and taken the first step towards boosting your social media presence. Ready to take your social media game to the next level? Sign up with Denix today and experience the ultimate SMM power.